guys, I'm Amanda.
I'm Devin, and today your marketing moment is, do I really have to be active on all social media platforms? That's the age-old question we get from
All the clients,
most clients, friends in businesses. They're like, I'm not going to be active. Do I really need a profile on, I don't know, Twitter or whatever it might be?
Exactly. And the answer is yes and no. Depends on your goals.
Yeah, it depends on your business goals. So for SEO purposes, I would tell you yes. Claim your profile so you can get your branding, your brand identity out there, which is outside of SEO. But just as a business, you want to own that before somebody else kind of takes a handle or takes the name for your business. And then in terms of SEO, having your business's what's called NAP, name, address, phone number, info on these high domain authority websites is really great, and kind of helps your trust score in terms of the Google gods.
Absolutely. So at the end of the day, you've at least got to set them up. But it really is important to keep in mind what your goals are with those profiles. And if you're going to really invest time and energy into your social, it's best to really ask yourself that question and then select the platforms accordingly. Maybe you're going to build out your LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Google Business Profile is kind of a questionable one. It kind of, some people would call it social, some wouldn't. But absolutely, we're going to tell you to have all of those profiles. But then at the end of the day, if you are a service-based business, you're a roofer in San Antonio, and you're trying to drum up business that way, you've really got to think about your end goal and the audience on each one of those platforms before you start investing hours and time into pumping out content.
Absolutely. And that is your marketing moment.